Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to easily change your team logo in FC Mobile. To change your team's logo in FC Mobile, first of all, launch open the FC Mobile game on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the club option on the right. Inside club, select locker room. After you do that, click on your current logo on the left, and inside user logo, select a different logo you want to change to. After you do that, click on confirm, and you have now changed your logo for yourself in FC Mobile. So that's it. That's how simple it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.